Once again, welcome you all. My name is Princia Fernandez from St. Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai East. Students, today we are going to learn Standard 5th Maths, chapter number 12, Perimeter and Area. So let's start. Before start the chapter, let's revise some important points. Closed figure have a perimeter. You know that the sum of the length of all the sides of a figure is called its perimeter. Fill in the empty boxes in the following problems. Here they given the rectangle first. The length of the adjacent side of the rectangle ABCD are given. The perimeter of rectangle ABCD is box centimeter. Remember students, the length of the opposite side of rectangle are equal. Here perimeter of rectangle ABCD is equal to 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter is equal to 18 centimeter. Now the length of the adjacent side of the rectangle are 10 centimeter and 7 centimeter. The perimeter of the rectangle is box centimeter. Here they given 10 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So perimeter of the figure is equal to 10 plus 7 plus 10 plus 7 is equal to 34 centimeter. Understood? Now third one is the length of the side of square PQRS is 5 centimeter. The perimeter of square PQRS is dash centimeter. Students, we already know all sides of square are equal. So perimeter of square PQRS is 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter is equal to 20 centimeter. So answer is the square PQRS is 20 centimeter. Now fourth one is triangle. In triangle ABC, the length of side AB is 4 centimeter, the length of BC is 8 centimeter and the length of CA is 6 centimeter. The perimeter of triangle ABC is dash centimeter. Students, here perimeter of the triangle ABC is equal to 4 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 18 centimeter. Now let's solve our problem set 48. Write the perimeter of each figure in the box given below it. Now observe the first figure. Here they given 7 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Now the perimeter of the figure is equal to, as we all know, the sum of the length of all the sides of the figure is called the perimeter. So write the 20 plus 16 plus 7 plus 14 and the answer is 57 centimeter. So write in the box. See the second figure. Perimeter of the figure is equal to 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 48 centimeter. Now see the third figure. Here solution, perimeter of the figure is equal to 12 plus 18 plus 8 plus 8 plus 18 is equal to 64 meter. So write the answer. Now second one is, if a square of a side 1 centimeter is cut out of the corner of a larger square with side 3 centimeter. Students, see the figure, observe this figure and write the correct answer. What will be the perimeter of the remaining square? For solving this, we all know that all sides of square are equal. So perimeter of square, it means 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. And what given in this problem? Yeah, if a square of side 1 centimeter is cut out of the corner. See, look at this second figure, that 1 centimeter is cut off the corner side. So now perimeter is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 12 centimeter. And the answer is 12 centimeter. So the perimeter of the remaining square is 12 centimeter. Now let's learn about formula for the perimeter of rectangle. Pay attention here. See the figure, this is a rectangle and everybody knows about that rectangle. Yes, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It means perimeter is equal to length plus length plus breadth. Opposite sides of a rectangle are the same length. So the perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice the length plus twice the breadth is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. It means the formula of the rectangle. Remember students, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Now see the example. The length of the rectangle below is 7 cm and its breadth 3 cm. Let us find the perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle PQRS is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. And what is the given information? 7 cm and 3 cm. It means 2 into 7 plus 2 into 3. 2 into 7 it's coming 14 plus 2 into 3 it's coming 6. Now 14 plus 6 it's coming 20. Therefore the perimeter of the rectangle is 20 centimeter. Understood? Now let's see the formula, the perimeter of the square. The length of the all sides of a square are equal. Therefore the perimeter of square is equal to 4 times the length of one of its sides. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into the length of one side. Example, the length of one side of square is 6 cm. Find its perimeter. The perimeter of square is 4 times the length of one side. It means perimeter of square is equal to 4 into length of one side. So here one side length is 6 cm. So 4 into 6 it's coming 24. 4 6 are 24. Therefore the perimeter of the square is 24 cm. Now let's learn about word problems. See here, first example is the length of rectangular park is 100 meter while its width is 80 meter. So what is its perimeter? So everybody knows about the formula of perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So 2 into length is 100 meters. So 2 into 100 plus width is 80 meters. So 2 into 80. Now 2 into 100 it's coming 200 plus 2 into 80 160. 200 plus 160 make a addition and the answer is 360. So write in the word the perimeter of the rectangular park is a 360 meter. Students, in the same way you have to refer example 2 that already given in your textbook. So now we start to solve problem set 49. First is how much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 cm long and 4 cm wide. Students, if you want to solve this word problem, you want to learn the all formulas. It means formula of perimeter of rectangle, formula of perimeter of square, triangle. So it is easy for you. So please refer this all formulas. Now here we want to write perimeter of rectangle is equal to, we all know 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So here they have to give in information 7 cm and 4 cm. It means length and breadth. So write first 2 into 7 plus 2 into 4. Now do the multiplication. 2 7s are 14 and 2 4s are 8. Now do the addition here. 14 plus 8 it's coming 22 cm. So write in the answer, therefore 22 cm wire will be needed to make a rectangle. Write in the notebook. Students, in the same way you have to use the formula and solve sum numbers 2 and 3 as a homework. You have to use the formula and solve this sums. Understood? Now we have to solve sum number 4. If we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160 meter long and 90 meter wide, what is the distance we walk in a kilometers? Here one thing you always remember, whatever information is given in the word problem, you have to read first carefully. So first use the formula perimeter of a rectangular field is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, and already they have to given breadth and length. So write first 2 into 160 plus 2 into 90. Now do the multiplication. 2 into 160 it's coming 320 plus 2 into 90 it's coming 180. 320 plus 180, it's coming 500 meter. The question, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? So convert meter into kilometer. 2000 meter, it's same as 2 kilometers. So write the answer. The distance walk in 4 round is 2 kilometer. Write neatly. One, Sanju completed 12 rounds around a square park every day. If one side of the park is 120 meter, find out in kilometers and meters the distance that Sanju covers daily. Fifth one, Sanju completed 12 rounds around a square park every day. If one side of the park is 120 meter, find out in kilometers and meters the distance that Sanju covers daily. Students, here we want to write first perimeter of a square. So as you know that 4 into length of one side. So 4 into 120, it's coming 480 meter. But what they ask here, in one round the distance can be covered is 400 meter. Hence in 12 rounds the distance can be covered is, so we want to write 480 into 12 and the answer is 5760 meter. It means 5000 meter plus 760 meter. And everybody knows that 5000 meter convert into kilometer. So 5000 means Sanju covers 5 kilometer and 760 meter daily. Right. Now the sixth one. The length of rectangular plot of land is 50 meter and its width is 30 meter. A triple fence has to be put along its edges. If the wire costs 60 rupees per meter, what will be the total cost of the wire needed for the fence? Students, here read the word problem carefully. Now we want to write the perimeter of a rectangular plot. So write the formula 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Now write 2 into 50 plus 2 into 30. It means 100 plus 60. It's coming 160 meter. But again for a triple fence wire needed. It means 3 into 160. So answer is 480 meter. But cost of the wire needed is equal to wire needed into rate. So 480 into 60. 480 into 60. It's coming 28,800 rupees. So therefore the total cost of the wire needed for the fence is rupees 28,800. Seventh one, a game requires its players to run around a square playground. Here the playground is square shaped, so we want to write the formula of perimeter of a square. Each side of the playground is 20 meter long. One player took 5 rounds around the playground. How many meter did the run altogether? So perimeter of a square, it means 4 into length of one side. 4 into length is 20. So 4 into 20, it's coming 80 meter. In one round, they have to complete 80 meter. Now, so what they have to ask here, one player took 5 rounds. It means 80 into 5. It's coming 400 meter. So write the answer. He runs all together 400 meter. Students, in the same way you have to solve sum number 8 and 9 as a homework. So please revise this and do the homework properly. Thank you.